Now, as the Ingenie team, we have the pleasure of being able to visit some of our startups in their home markets. And I did that a few months ago in Zimbabwe. I was genuinely taken aback by the response I saw one of our startups was getting there. Not only were students and teachers incredibly excited to be using their digital learning product, but unheard of in most markets, government ministers were queuing up to give their support and help them get into schools. Please welcome Adi, CEO of Learning Factory.
Across Africa, millions of students don't have access to qualified teachers and textbooks. In Zimbabwe, 67% of the 1.2 million students in secondary school don't have access to qualified teachers, and up to 50 students have to share a single textbook. As a result, 95% of students in rural areas fail their examinations in their first sitting. At Learning Factory, we've got a solution. We create curriculum-based multimedia educational content in collaboration with experienced, qualified, practicing teachers, and this content is approved by the Ministry of Education for use in schools. This content gives students a visual appreciation of the application of what they're learning. We make this content available as courses online at study.co.zw, as well as offline using StudyBox units. A StudyBox is a low-cost server which operates off the grid and offline, making content available to students in rural areas and other communities which don't have mains electricity or access to the internet. We provide training to teachers so that they can use this content effectively in their classrooms, which means that those unqualified teachers now have a resource to back them up. We generate revenue by selling StudyBox units to schools. And schools pay a subscription so that their teachers and students can access the content on these units. To date, we've been able to get the support of the Ministry of Education. They've given us authority to conduct user testing and teacher training in 17 schools across Zimbabwe. In addition, they have authorized us to use 4 of our courses in schools across Zimbabwe. In December, we begin teacher training, and that's going to open up one of our main revenue streams. By the end of 2019, we expect to have sold StudyBox units to 50 schools across Zimbabwe and have 5,000 users on our online learning platform, accessing a total of 28 courses. We expect to grow this number to 400 schools and 25,000 students using our online platform, accessing 64 courses in 2022. In order to develop these courses, we have a competent team which boasts of over 60 years of experience in business management and over 40 years of experience in teaching delivery and education administration. We also work with a network of partners. We require partners, and we are looking for organizations in the private and public sector which will open up their facilities to us to create high-quality video and multimedia content which will go into the courses that we're creating. As a partner, you get access to thousands of classrooms across Zimbabwe. Now, if you represent a public or private organization or NGO, and you're looking at making a difference to students across Zimbabwe and accessing classrooms across Zimbabwe, come and talk to me, and let's talk about how you